Hey everyone, it's Abe again, and today we are out in the garage because we got ourselves a new vehicle. Yay! It's not new, but it's new for us to replace that vehicle because we're probably going to go on another road trip this year, and yeah, we don't want to have quite the same experience we did last year. And also we've got 2 kids now, so we needed a better family vehicle for that. But anyway, in order to get this vehicle the proper storage that it needs, is keeping it out of the rain and the snow and whatnot, because we do live in Minnesota here, we need to get it into this garage. And well, it does fit in the garage. If you raise the tailgate up, it does hit the garage door a little bit, so we got to get it a little bit further forward. We've really got to clean out our garage because we got a bunch of stuff here that we don't need. We got a bunch of stuff here that is just kind of, well, we put it here temporarily, and temporarily has become a couple of years. And there's some other stuff that isn't very well organized. Our garage is kind of dirty. I do like the plaster or sheetrock, like actual old school sheetrock that we have on the inside of our garage, so it looks a little nicer than if it was just bare wood, like a lot of garages are. But it does need to be cleaned still. We still do have spiders out here and spider webs. And so yeah, so today we're going to be cleaning out the garage and also getting some more storage for some toys for the kids, so we can have the garage door open and not have to worry too much about the kids coming in here. I mean, we still have some yard implements that are going to be sitting up on the wall. But hey, kids got to learn to leave that stuff alone anyway. So let's go ahead and get started. Well, that took a little while to move all of that stuff out here, but we're going to go ahead and clean off the surfaces and clean off the stuff that we're going to bring back in here. And just for reference, this is all the stuff we removed. Not the baby, she's just chilling out here, so I can watch her while we're cleaning. But yeah, a lot of stuff, a lot of junk. Still got to remove a couple of paint cans over there, and we've got some tools that are going to go back in the garage, but we're going to clean them off anyway. So yeah, yeah, pretty good job so far. Woo! Alright, so we've swept a bit, we've got the walls cleaned, and I'm all sweaty, and I gotta go run a few errands. Allie is going to be putting kids stuff, so like potting soil and some toys on this table. I think it's a good use for it. We've got our lawn care bottle display right there. I gotta start using some of that stuff. Automotive stuff all over here. Packed in an organized way because as we got it, you know, I was just putting it on the shelf in whatever random place, so now it's more organized. And then we've got some jack stands over there. We've still got all this stuff we got to take care of, but like I said, I got to head out and run some errands now, so I'll be back a bit later, and hopefully it won't be raining, and yeah, we can get more of the stuff put away. So it's been a little bit, but I wanted to show you guys how we ended up reorganizing our garage. So Most of the garden utensils are still up on the walls like they were. Got a few extra things now that wasn't hanging there before, and the weed whacker is against the wall now. It was just sitting on the floor before. Link's car is now over in the corner. Gas cans are all over here, all clean. Still got to fix the holes in the wall from that. But we've got sleds hanging, Link's baseball stuff. This table was completely cleaned off. We've got our double stroller kind of sitting back here, and some pots and a bunch of potting stuff for Allie to do plant things with Lincoln, and then Kaylee when she's old enough. We've got this leftover styrofoam here that we're going to use to make little guards on the wall with our new vehicle, so we don't accidentally hit the wall and damage either the wall or the vehicle. Link's tricycle, a couple of toy lawnmowers. We got the little kiddie pools over here. This shelf has been reorganized. All the weed killers are up high, and in the front still got some shingles back there for when we rebuild the shed. Jack stands, so automotive stuff, tools are right there, and then we've got automotive fluids all over there, and then some leftover tar and driveway repair stuff. The Whisper Tone ceiling tiles, we're going to be putting those up on Facebook Marketplace because they have a little value, but we just want them gone. Hose, we cleaned off that shelf, so now there's room for that. Those weren't hanging there before, the pan and brushes. Baseball bats are back where they were, but now the extension cord's hanging on the wall instead of just sitting out. And then we've got a variety of tools on the wall as they were. Sledgehammer in the corner, ladder along the side, and yeah, and then axes over in this corner. So yeah, much cleaner. We got rid of most of the cobwebs. Looks like there's still some around, but we'll clean those off. It's an outdoor garage. I mean, we're not going to get rid of all the cobwebs, but yeah, it's a heck of a lot cleaner than it was when we started, and it's a lot more organized, and there's a lot of stuff that's no longer in here. So hopefully that inspires you to maybe clean out your garage, maybe gives you some ideas, kind of shows you what we did with ours. You see it's a lot nicer now. We can put our new van in there, and yeah, it suits our purpose. So talk to you again soon, and have a wonderful time until then. Bye for now.